Hello students, now we are going to discuss question number 5 triple I. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta is equal Hello students, welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss question number 5 triple I. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So this is what we have to prove. So let's take the LHS. LHS equals tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, which will be equal to, now what we will do, we will convert the tan to sin by cos and cot to cos by sin. Let's write it. Sin theta divided by cos theta divided by 1 minus cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta plus here cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus tan theta. So 1 minus sin theta by cos theta equals, now again sin theta by cos theta divided by here 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now we will write sin theta, here it will be sin theta minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta is equal to sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus here cos theta by sin theta. We are not changing the numerator, now come to denominator. Denominator in LCM will be cos theta, then it will be cos theta minus sin theta. Now equals sin theta by cos theta into, it will be sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta, okay, plus here we will come to this term cos theta by sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Now look at the denominators, here sin theta and here it is sin theta minus cos theta. Now here you see cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, if we will multiply minus divided by minus or minus 1 divided by minus 1 in this part, then what will happen, this plus will be minus and here minus sin theta will be plus sin theta and plus cos theta will be minus sin theta, minus cos theta. So we will write that equals sin theta will be sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now the plus will be minus, here cos theta into cos theta will be cos square theta divided by here sin theta, right, sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta is there. Now we have multiplied minus 1 by minus 1, so that it will be sin theta minus cos theta minus cos theta. Now what we will do, we will subtract both the terms. Okay, look at the denominators, who is the LCM? LCM will be cos theta into sin theta into this sin theta minus cos theta. So write it here. equals sine square. First you write the LCM. LCM will be cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This is the LCM. Now here it is sin square theta. Now sin square theta into sin theta will be sin q theta. So sin q theta minus here it will be cos square theta and it will multiply with cos theta. So it will be cos q theta. Now it will be equal to, you know the formula, aq minus bq. I'll write it for you. aq minus bq, which is equal to a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. We will use the formula here. Which a is sin theta and b is cos theta here. So let's write sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus ab means sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta plus b square is cos square theta. Okay, divided by, here denominator I will write as it is, cos theta into sin theta whole into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now you see sin theta minus cos theta is in the numerator and also in the denominator, so we can cancel the term. Okay, now what will happen, equals, here you see sin square theta plus cos square theta is there, it will be equal to 1. So you will write 1 plus what remains, sin theta into cos theta. So you will write 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, now again equal to, you see 1 by, this will be equal to 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta it will be. Now let's write 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now you see cos sin theta cos theta, here cos theta sin theta will be cancelled. Then here 1 by cos theta into sin theta, you can write it like this, 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta plus, here the whole value is equal to 1. Now it will be equal to 1 by cos is your sec theta into 1 by sin is cosec theta plus 1. Okay, this is what we needed, 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So you can rearrange it, which is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So you got the answer, you can write hence proved. Okay, well now we will move to another question, question number IV.